alaikum students, how are you all? In this session we are going to learn about prime factorization. Let's take an example of any composite number. Let's take an example of 12. If 12 is the topmost part of a tree, by going down and think of the factors of 12. Example, the factors of 12, if we think over here, is 2 and 6. 2, 6 are 12. Now 2 is already a prime number. 2 cannot be break into another factors. Yes, but 6 is not a prime number. It's a composite number. Though it is a factor of 12, but it is a common composite number. So we can break, or we can also find the factors of 6. What are the factors of 6? The factors of 6 are 2 and 3. And here in this second tree, our factors of 12 are 3 and 4. 3 4s are 12. Here we have factors 3 and 4. 3 is a prime number, so it will not have more factors. But what about 4? 4 itself is a composite number, means we can find the factors of 4. Let's find out the factors of 4. The factors of 4 are 2 and 2. 2 2s are 4. Now, if we write the factors, all the factors of the numbers over here, what did we find out? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, right? So, instead of writing these 2 4 times, we can take as common factor. We can take as common factor, that is this as 1 2 and this as 1 2, and these 3 is as 1 3. So how can we say this? We can say like this, that 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 are the common factors of 12. 2 into 3 into 3 are the common factors of 12. When we break down the composite factors into smaller factors, we call them as prime factorization. What do we call it? Prime factorization. Let's have some more example of prime factorization of 2-digit numbers, which is a big number. Now let's find out the prime factors of number 36 and 45. 36 is an even number, so means we divide 36 with 2. The best way to find out the prime factors of any big number is the division method. So we follow this division method to find the prime factors of 36. As we know that 36 is the even number, so first of all we divide 36 with 2. Let's start. If we divide in 36 with 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, right? Now again we divide with 2 because it's an even number, 2 9s are 18. Now 9 is an odd number, so 9 does not come in table of 2. So now we divide 9 with number 3. 3 3s are 9. Now again 3 comes in table of 3, so we write 3 ones are 3. Until we not have answer 1, we have to continue our division until and unless we not have answer 1. So what is the prime factor of number 36? The prime factors of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. These are the prime factors of number 36. As you can see, the 2, 2, 3, 3 all are prime numbers, right? That's why we call them prime factorization. Let's find out the prime factors of number 45, which is an odd number. Now, as we know that 45 is an odd number, so means it cannot be divided by number 2. So let's divide 45 with an odd number table, that is 5. Or you can say starts from 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. Now 15 does not come in table of 3. It comes in table of 3. Yes. 3 fives are 15. Very good. Now 5 comes in table of 3. No. 5 comes in which table? The number itself. So what will be our answer? 5 ones are 5. Until the one answer did not come down, we have continue with the division. ठीक है, आपको डिवाइड करते रहना है जब तक कि आपके पास इन द एंड आंसर 1 ना आ जाए. नाउ जिस जिस नंबर से आपने डिवाइड किया उसको आप अलग करके लिख लीजिए. 3 into 3 into 5 means these are the prime factors of number 45. I hope you all understand how to find out the prime factors of bigger number. Let's have some more examples. Let's find out the prime factors of number 48 and 60. First, by following the division method. Let's do it. If we have number 48 and 48 is an even number, so means we divide with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Now again we divide with 2 because it's an even number. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 12 is an even number, so again we divide with 2. 2 6s are 12. Again 6 is even number, so we divide 2 3s are 6. And then 3 is not an even number, it's an odd number. So we divide 3 with number 3 because 3 is a prime number which does not come in any other table. So 3 ones are 3. Now what are the prime factors of 48? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So these are the prime factors of number 48. Let's find the prime factors of number 60. As 60 is also a even number, so we divide with 2. 2 3s are 6 and 0 as it is. Again with 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. Now 15 is not an even number, it's an odd number. It comes in which table? It comes in table of 3, 3 5s are 15. Always do division with the smaller numbers. 15 comes in 5 table also, but first of all we take the lowest number for division, that is 3. 3 5s are 15. Now we have 5 which is a prime number, an odd number which only comes in table of 5. So we write 5 1s are 5. Now what are the common factors of number 60? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. These are the prime factors of number 60. As you have noticed, all the prime factors are the prime numbers. Just remember that prime factors are always the prime numbers. They can never be composite numbers. I hope you all understand what do you mean by prime factorization and how to solve the prime factors through division method. Stay tuned for the next session.